how to show payment icons on product page in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to show the payment icons such as Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal and etc. and those payment methods icon into your product page. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you need to sign in into your account. After that, you only need to buy a plan or a subscription, so Shopify will reveal the password cover of your store. So right here, we have the admin dashboard. So we are going to search for an app or an extension named TZ Trust Badges. Then you are going simply to search on it for or on the Shopify App Store. Right here, we are going to see here the trust badges and the sales pop-up. Everything about here is related. So you can go ahead and use the TZ or trust here badges. You can go ahead and use, for example, here Avada trust badges and upsales and etc. So we are going to select this one. I'm going to select this because it is built for Shopify, so it will perform well. And here we have also the demonstration. As you can see here, the trust badges such as the payment method icon. We have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, DCB, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and etc. So we are going to install this app. We are going to wait for the admin dashboard to respond. Here we have the option to install it. Now we are going to click on install and boom, here we have the app installed. Now all we need to do is to wait for the app to be signed in. As you can see here, we have the app. So we are going to exit here the presentations. Now we have the onboarding right there. As you can see, I'm going first to pin our app to the navigation show so we are not going to lose it. Right here we have a configure the payment icons, we have trust badges enhancement and etc. So in this video we are going to set the payment icons. I'm going to click on configure payment icons. So here your theme needs analysis for the widget best position. We are going to click on install here. You can go ahead and install it. Then I'm going to save it here. So right away, we are going to wait for the analysis. I'm going to get the extension. So we are going to wait for the extension to be installed. Here we are going to see if the extension is ready. So the extension is ready. We are going to let it all the way right there. Here we need to set up the app. You can go ahead and verify the app. So right here we have the add widget option. So we need to add the widget. This is optional to add the Trust Z to the website. It is optional. The first thing that you need to do is to add the widget right here, as you can see, and place it right away. So we are going to set the payment batch under the buy button. So you need to add it right here. Now, the second thing is to click on app embeds. Then you are needing to enable the Trust Z here. So we are going to enable that. Then we are going to click on save. After that, you're going to leave this. Then you are going to click on verify. Here it will be set the widget. I'm going to activate it. Here we have it. Save this setting. Then you're going to see here the content. The heading, multiple secure payment option available. And this is the preview, as you can see. Here you can choose the badges. We have a lot and tons of badges. You can go ahead and use whatever suits you will. Since we have the Shopify or the PayPal, also you can add the PayPal. We have also in the place of that, you can go ahead and put these Cash App here we have. We have a lot. So if you are going to use Stripe, most of the payment methods will be also generated and payable right there. And because here we have these crowns, that means that you need only to set up also the payment methods from here. As you can see here, Amazon Pay. You can add a lot. For example, Braintree, Shopify, Stripe also. Go ahead and click on choose badges and they will be added right away. You can see here the appearance of the badges. You are going to set the position. When you finish that, you are going to click on save. And here we are going to take a tour about the badges. So here we are going to now we are going to see. So we are going to set up, for example, we are going to choose right here any products. Then as you can see, we have the trust badges or the payment method badges popping right away. So if you want to change the placement of these badges or these payment icons, you only need to visit the store right away here. So we are going to let this page because we need the TT here app. So we are going to click on themes, click on customize. Then we are going to visit a product page. So we are going to select here at the home, click products. Then we are going to set or click only on default product. Now, as you can see here, we have the app of payment badge. Now we are going to set it here. You can go ahead and click on it, still click or hold the click and put it here, for example, under the description. But I highly recommend for you to let it here above the description and also below the buy now button because this is the most essential part. Now, if you want to add more badges, you can go ahead and visit the TZ Trust badges. Then you can go ahead and choose other badges. For example, here I'm going to add the Klarna, for example, Western Union, Scroll. For example, if you are going to accept Bitcoin, go ahead and add Bitcoin. So here, Braintree, Shopify payment. So I'm going only to use these. So we are going to click on save. And then we can go ahead and refresh the page to get the update of the payment badges. Here we have it. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next